Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Neris Campus Network. Thank you.
So Music Studio.
Hello viewers, welcome to Prime Time.
We are back, and in today's prime time, we have National Cadet Corps Neris Unit celebrates Republic Day on 26th of January. Let's go to Sonam Kumari to take an insight about the story.
Thank you, Sneha. NCC Neris unit celebrated Republic Day in Neris Playground. I must tell you that organizing was well planned. More than 100 Nerisians, including staff as well as professors along with their families, were spotted on the ground to see the remarkable parade done by NCC cadets with tremendous amount of energy, and along with them, a troop of security guards were also there. Event continued for 1.5 hours. Many of the students were awarded BNC certificate for their best performance in their camp, and along with them, 2 professors of Neris were also awarded. The event was precise and everything was done in an efficient manner. After parade, director gave a short speech, and the event ended up with a small skit performed by NSS students.
Saraswati Puja was organized in the Puja ground by the third year students of Neris, where the students came together to offer prayer to the goddess and ask for her blessing in the academics. The puja started in the morning at 7 am and the Anjali started around 9 am. The enthusiastic organizers left no stones unturned to make the puja a success. The girls coming to offer their prayers in beautiful saris and kurtas made the day even more colorful. Now we have Sonam Kumari to give us a sneak peek to the puja.
तो एज यूजुअल इस बार भी सरस्वती पूजा थर्ड ईयर्स ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, तो आप लोगों थर्ड ईयर्स कैसा जोश के साथ प्रिपरेशन किया हुआ है?
अरे जोश तो बहुत है। हम लोग 3 रात से नॉन स्टॉप काम कर रहे हैं।
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि जब कोई ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइज करके हार्ड वर्क से ज़्यादा अच्छा आएगा आपका रिजल्ट, या तो फिर सिर्फ पूजा में ही फोकस करते रहने से?
देखो, मेरे हिसाब से ऑब्वियसली हार्ड वर्क से ही अच्छा रिजल्ट आ सकता है। अगर आप हार्ड वर्क नहीं करते हो तो आप कितना भी भगवान का नाम ले लो, ऑब्वियसली दैट्स नॉट गोना वर्क आउट, बिकॉज एट लास्ट एग्ज़ाम में आप ही को लिखना है। सेकेंड थिंग ये है, हाँ, हम लोग पूजा क्यों करते हैं? बिकॉज हम लोग उनसे एक स्ट्रेंथ लेते हैं सो दैट हम लोग और भी ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क कर सके, जस्ट एज एन इंस्पिरेशन, लाइक जस्ट एज एन एनर्जी ना। सो इसीलिए हम लोग पूजा भी करते हैं, उनको स्मरण भी करते हैं और हमेशा कोशिश करते थे कि उनके आशीर्वाद और उनके छत्रों छाया में रहे। बट अल्टीमेटली इट्स अपॉन यू। The more you work hard, the more you get your results.
Being an organizing secretary, you are holding one of the most important posts. So how are you feeling right now?
I feel good. Actually, the post which I got is quite challenging and it's quite different from the rest which I have got in my previous years. It was good, and I feel quite privileged that yes, I've learned quite many things with this post.
इस टाइम का सरस्वती पूजा काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है। माहौल देखिए, क्राउड देख सकते हैं आप लोग, बहुत अच्छा है। गैदरिंग्स भी, पूजा वूजा हो गया सुबह, काफ़ी लोग उठ नहीं पाए थे, लेकिन अभी जो श्रद्धालु अपने दिखाते हैं वो देखिए, पूजा आजकल अच्छे से हो रहा है।
एक्चुअली शेड्यूल भी हेक्टिक था ना, कल ही सिनर्जी ख़त्म हुआ है। उसके बाद सभी थर्ड ईयर भी उस समय वॉलेंटियर्स में मैक्सिमम लोग थे, बट सभी ने अच्छा प्रिपरेशन किया और 2-3 दिन आज में दिखा है कि पंडाल्स भी बहुत सारे लगे हैं। इस बार 2 से 3 पंडाल्स लगे हैं, टीचरों ने भी लगाया है। तो ये एक अच्छा है कि पुष्पांजलि इधर ख़त्म हुआ तो बाकी जगह भी जाके दे सकते हैं।
सरस्वती पूजा यहाँ का अच्छा है, असीम श्रद्धा का माहौल है। लड़के लड़कियाँ अच्छे अच्छे कपड़ों में है, अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में।
सरस्वती पूजा चल रहा है यहाँ, बस एक ही है, पूजा तो होता है, बस हमें अपना पढ़ाई का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, वही है। पूजा भी जितना भी करो, बस पढ़ाई में ध्यान रखेगा तो सब कुछ हो जाएगा।
So yeah, I'm enjoying it. And as you can see, all my friends, they're looking so beautiful. She's Richa. She's wearing a orange sari. She's looking awesome. And here it's Tarupa. She's also wearing a sari. We too are odd one out. We're just wearing suits and all. But yeah, it's very nice. Like being with this all beautiful ladies there. Yeah, thank you.
Synergy, the annual athletic festival of Neris, organized by the 5th year students, was held successfully with active participation from students. The athletes from each block competed against each other for the champion trophy with a true spirit of sportsmanship.
Synergy is the annual athletic meet of Neris, a 5-day megafest for sports enthusiasts. Events started with a beautiful and well-coordinated march past by the students, and then speeches by director, dean sir, Sun President, chief guests and guest of honor followed it. After that, the chief guest declared the event open. And here begins a 5-day carnival of athletics, from running to high jump to long jump to hurdles, a cross-country race, football, finale, tug of war. Synergy 17 covered every aspect of sports in these 5 grand days. At the end of 5th day, prize distribution ceremony was held. Block F1 bagged the title of first runner-ups and Block H became Synergy 17 champions. Athano Luza and Rajkumar Sanajauba got the title of Athletes of the Year, and afterwards the event was declared closed by Dr. Sandeep Singh, Gymkhana chairman.
In a moment of pride for Nerist, 6 students from Mechanical Engineering branch of Nerist were selected for placement in All India Limited. Let's go to Shagata Bhattacharjee and explore what lead he has on the story.
Indeed, it is a proud moment for Nerist Bhaskar. It has been a great year in the matter of placement for the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and 6 final year students from Mechanical cracked the job interview. We congratulate Biplab Deka, Sumit Singha, Anurag Kashyap, Opyung Tage, Joybrata Das, Siddhant Lendam for their achievement. And now, Miss Opyung Tage is joining us with her experience about PI.
In a moment of pride for Nerist, 6 students from Mechanical Engineering branch of Nerist were selected for placement in All India Limited. Let's go to Shagata Bhattacharjee and explore what lead he has on the story.
Indeed, it is a proud moment for Nerist Bhaskar. It has been a great year in the matter of placement for the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and 6 final year students from Mechanical cracked the job interview. We congratulate Biplab Deka, Sumit Singha, Anurag Kashyap, Opyung Tage, Joybrata Das, Siddhant Lendam for their achievement. And now, Miss Opyung Tage is joining us with her experience about PI.
जब भी पीआई में बैठते हो ना, डोंट बी सीरियस. कभी सीधा बैठ के बस चेहरा भी सीरियस लेके बात करेगा. डोंट कीप दिस एटीट्यूड. लाइक यू शुड बी वेरी कूल एंड मतलब लाइक जस्ट नो cool रहो attitude, and then whatever they're asking, try to answer them very खुल के दो. टाइट मत रहो. like आराम से बात करो. In my PA, it was like they were very comfortable. When I came in, first they started with like Miss Sageopyung, who are you? They started with the question, who are you? And I was like, pardon? Obviously, I confused like, who are you? And then they asked me about everything from my childhood school to high school to college life. They asked me about everything and my family. And the most interesting question was that they asked me about my who was my favorite actor also. And I said Ranbir Kapoor, and they asked me why. And बहुत सारा questions पूछा, and then they were technical questions भी बीच में आता था, but they didn't like informal पूछता है, technical पूछता है, फिर family के बारे में पूछता है, like everything as a whole. So I think PI का the main purpose is that वो लोग देखता है कि how you handle the questions, like formal questions or informal questions or technical questions हो ना, तुम उसको जवाब कैसे देते हो, like how you handle that और किस attitude से देते हो. I think that is the key point to that. That is how they judge you. They see how you can handle the questions and how you take it, और तुम positive हो या negative हो. This is a very like important thing, you know. For me, they were like, you're quite positive. मुझे ऐसा बोला था. And I was like, yeah. And they asked me कि क्यों mechanical लिया है, you're a girl. And this is like a questions to every mechanical girls. So they asked me कि mechanical क्यों लिया. So I said कि actually for me also mechanical engineering was not my ideal thing, but मुझे mathematics and physics interested था. So they asked me कि क्यों लिया. तो मैंने बोला कि मुझे मैथमेटिक्स पसंद है और मेरा पेरेंट्स ने मुझे बोला कि ले लो, इंजीनियरिंग कर लो. That's why I did that, and I think I'm doing pretty good, or I am glad कि मैंने मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग लिया. And oil is a very big thing for us. It's like the ultimate thing for mechanical engineers. So that's all. Thank you.
That's it for this prime time. Thank you and stay tuned for more news on Nerist.